With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is, explain the techniques of separation involved in A. Filtration, B. Evaporation. So we'll explain the separation techniques. First is filtration. So filtration is a separation technique used to separate the components of a mixture containing an undissolved solid in a liquid. Or also you can say that there is a suspended solid which is not mixed, like it is not mixed in the liquid, and it is it is suspended in the liquid solution in the mixture. So this separation technique is carried out by using a funnel lined with a filter paper to retain the solid on the filter paper, and the liquid is let out. So the funnel, like it is like shown like this. So the funnel is like this. So it in the funnel, so if we take a beaker here at the bottom of the funnel, so funnel, there is a lining of filter paper in here. So filter paper is kept here. So when, like, if for example, if I am taking a mixture of sand plus water, so sand is obviously not mixed in the water. So the sand is a solid particle which is suspended in the water. So if I separate this, so the water will be come out like in the container here, and the sand that will be as a solid residue will be obtained here, right? So this is the process of filtration. Second is evaporation. So evaporation is it's also a separation technique used to separate the components of a mixture containing. So in this evaporation process, the mixture is contained with a dissolved solid in liquid. So the solid is dissolved and we have to separate them. So in this process, in the evaporation process, the heat is required. So heat is required. So what is done, like if I take a mixture in which there is a dissolved solid and I have to separate that solid from that liquid, so the heat is required. So the heat will evaporate the liquid. So evaporate means that it will convert this liquid into gaseous state or the vapor state, and the solid is left behind. And is separated out. So for example, if we can see for the evaporation process, so evaporation of common salt from seawater is done by this process from seawater, as seawater is a resource for salt, common salt, NaCl, sodium chloride. So what it is done, so the seawater is collected in a large shallow pots, and they let evaporate the water by the sun's heat, and the salt is left behind as a solid particles. So this is the required answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.